Hello students. Now we have completed the poem The Busy Bee. I think you have completed all the notes and the UT also was given. Now let us go to the next lesson. Before going to the lesson, before starting, we'll share an incident with Gandhiji. Gandhiji was traveling from Durban to Maritzburg in South Africa. He had a first class ticket. He sat in the train. After some time, a passenger came and asked him to go to the other compartment. Gandhiji showed his first class ticket and refused to leave the compartment. Now Gandhiji, before we got independence, he was studying in South Africa for the higher studies. There, once he was traveling in the train, what happened? A passenger came and asked him to go to the other compartment. Gandhiji showed his first class ticket and refused to leave the compartment. After some time, the two policemen came and forcefully pushed him out of the train. Why did they push Gandhiji out of the train? His baggage was also thrown out too. Gandhiji felt very sad. See, this was the condition in South Africa at that time. Now, this was the slavery. Why did they pushed him out of the train? Because those people, they didn't like the Indian people. They didn't like the Indian people. They were the whites. They were the whites. Gandhiji was a little brown and black. So there was a racial discrimination they followed. So because of that, they pushed out of the train. Now, this is a story of, here is a lesson about Jamaican fragment. It is all about Jamaica. The Jamaica, I wanted to tell you about the Jamaica. This is the Jamaican island was originally inhabited by the Arawak tribes, where before the arrival of Columbus, before Columbus discovered in 1494, they came from South America, and also British also brought hundreds and thousands of enslaved Africans to Jamaica, and they formed a colony there. They just made these African blacks as slaves. They made them slaves. They made them work in their fields, right? The slaves, however, were unhappy with their status. So this is all about we learn in this lesson. This lesson also relates to the story like Jamaican island. This is a discrimination, racial discrimination. This lesson is about racial discrimination, where the two little boys play a game which shows the racial discrimination. Now, do you know, children, where Jamaica is situated? Do you know where Jamaica is situated? So let us see where it is situated. Children, now here you see Jamaican island. Can you see? In between North America and South America, it's a small island, mountainous island. Here, this red one, it's here also. See, this is a Jamaican island. The Kingston is the capital of Jamaican island. This is an island. See how it looks, so beautiful. This is a mountainous island, lies in the Caribbean Sea, and which is a part of the much larger part of the Atlantic Ocean. This is the flag of Jamaica. See, these are the people of Jamaican. How they look. See, these are the lives of that shows the Jamaican people. See the children, how they were working in the fields, how they made to work. Yes, let us know about the author. A.L. Hendricks is the author of this lesson. A.L. Hendricks is a prolific writer. Prolific means highly productive. Some of his short stories appeared in the issues of the magazine Focus. He is a West Indian writer, and his writings carry the flavor inherent in the Caribbean literature. Inherent means something that is permanently stuck in one place. Inherent in the Caribbean literature. The story Jamaican Fragment brings out the prejudice that almost every person suffers from when it comes to the denominational issues like color, caste and class. Prejudice means the law that cause harm, some action or judgment that cause harm to the person with the issues like color, caste and class. Now let us go through the lesson. Let us go through the lesson in the next class. So let's end up the class here. Thank you.